is you.
You meditate enough, you get your third eye. Like everybody know, that is the Marvel's latest movie, Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness. In theater, it was very interesting to see the third eye effect. So I was thinking, let's try to recreate that effect in mobile platform. Then I did some research and found out a channel, cinecom.net, recreate the effect, but they use Adobe After Effects to recreate the effect. Here in this show, we always use mobile platform to recreate. So that's what I did here. I recreate the effect using only two applications. One, as usual, our Lumafusion app. Second, I use Photoshop app from iPad. But please bear in mind, this both app is paid app, it's not a free version. Yet you still can do with any other editing software and photo editing software which is free. For example, you can use VN Video Editor, the free version, and you can use PixArt for photo editing. So for the filming part, it's very straightforward. You only need a tripod and your background set. That's all. Take a shot of you doing the action, just one single footage that you need. I only use my eyes in this whole footage. I took a still image and animate the image on my forehead. In your new project in Lumafusion, add the clip that you want to do the third eye effect. In my clip, you can see there is a tracking marker on my head. This tracking marker will be used to track the eye later in the editing. After you add your clip in the project, take a screenshot of any frame, go to your Photoshop app in iPad, import the screenshot that you took just now, and then add new layer, select the color bucket, change the whole screen to green color, reduce the opacity to 30 or 40% so that you can see the screenshot behind the green layer. Zoom until you can see your eyes. Use the eraser tool to erase the green layer to reveal the eye part that you need. I am taking this part including the eye wrinkle to make the effect more realistic. After you finish your masking, export this picture as JPEG. Next, you need to do mask animation to do the eye opening animation. Take the brush tool and then start to close the eyes slowly and then export the picture. Continue doing this one by one so that the eye completely closed with the green color. This is a technique that I already showed in my previous video, which is animating a mask in Lumafusion. I'll leave the link in the description so that you can watch that video to understand more about masking animation. Back to your Lumafusion app and then add this image from beginning, which is the eye is start to open. Add every single picture. Here I only use 2 frames and then cut it out and then add more of this masking on top of the original layer. You'll understand this method more when you watch the video that I told you just now. After you put all the picture, you able to see that your eyes animation is working. Export this clip. Then delete all this picture on the clip. Add the animation video just now you created in the timeline. After you put the animation green screen video, add the final image where the eye is completely open and then double tap the video, go to edit and then go to colors and effect, go to keyhole and then select green screen key. Now you're able to see the green screen is gone and then only the eyes. So we need to do a symmetry eyes to sell the effect. For that, first you flip the image, go to color and effect, then go to distortion effect, select mirror, then do the mirror effect on your eyes. You able to see your eyes is symmetry left and right. Next, go to your green screen panel, adjust the parameters so that it blend well with your skin tone. To look more realistic, go to frame and fit, then change the blend mode to darken. Now you're able to see the eye is completely blend with the skin tone. If you play the video now, you're able to see the animation, the eye effect is already done. Now only left the tracking with the head movement. So to do tracking with head movement is very simple. Go to fit and frame also and then use the keyframe method to move the eye according to the tracking. Use the tracking marker to track the eye on the marker. Now you're able to see the eye opening effect is working. But there is one problem left, which is before the eye opening, you still can see the marker. So we need to remove the tracking marker. Since it's just a few frames, just took screenshot for every frame, go to Photoshop app and then import that screenshot, use healing tool to remove the tracking marker. Do this effect for all 12 pictures. After you finish, go back to your Lumafusion app, add back all the image that you took just now, put it in one frame at a time, then you're able to see there is no more tracking marker and your eye opening effect is done. So after that, it's very simple. Favorite color grading and sound effect. In my case, I was trying to embed myself in the trailer itself. I did the color grading and tried to match as much as possible with the original clip, and then I used the original clip sound effect in my video, and the final result will be like this.
Is you.
So now that's how you can participate in the movie itself, even though you're not in the feature film. So if you want to learn more about this recreating movie effect in mobile platform, click this link and you'll find more videos is coming. So I meet you next time. Until then, I'm Yad and this is Filmography. Remember, simple method, awesome video.